Here's how you can fix issues with PhoneLink on Windows. If PhoneLink isn't opening, let's start by repairing the app. Press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to System, then System Components. Find PhoneLink, click the three dots and choose Advanced Options. Now hit Terminate and then click on Repair. Wait for the process to complete. If it still won't open, hit Reset. This may take a minute, but it gives PhoneLink a clean start and eliminates any trivial bugs. Restart your PC and try again. If PhoneLink still doesn't work, press Windows plus X keys, select Terminal, Admin, and click Yes in the UAC prompt. Now, paste this command in PowerShell and hit Enter. The command won't take more than a few seconds. I have added it to the video's description. Just copy the command and run it on your PC. It's completely safe. Don't forget to restart and check for improvements. As surprising as it sounds, turning on automatic updates in the Microsoft Store has fixed PhoneLink issues for many users. So, let's try that. Open the Microsoft Store, click the profile icon near the top right, select Store Settings, and enable the toggle for App Updates. Once done, restart the computer and check if PhoneLink starts working again. Next up, let's reinstall PhoneLink. Sometimes the app files get so deeply corrupted that only a reinstall can fix the problem. So open PowerShell as administrator and run this command. This too is available in the video description. After running the command, restart the PC. Now head to the link in the video description to download PhoneLink directly from the Microsoft Store. If you try searching for it, you won't find the app. That's because it's now listed under System Components. But don't worry, you can still access it using the direct link. So open the link, reinstall PhoneLink from the store, and this time it should work just fine. The next solution is to perform an in-place upgrade. It's similar to reinstalling Windows, but your personal files and apps stay intact. For this, you'll need to download the Windows ISO from Microsoft's official website. The entire process can take a few hours, so make sure you have enough time and a stable internet connection. We already have a dedicated video on how to perform an in-place upgrade. It should appear near the top right corner. If you don't see the tutorial, click the I icon. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.